If you are looking to share your Google Search Console account with another user so they can help you identify issues, opportunities, things like that within SEO, there is a way you can give them access to your account without having to share your login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a very quick step-by-step on how to do that. So, over to the computer.
Right, okay, so now we're on the computer. I have logged into one of my test accounts, and this is a test website where I'm just testing out some stuff. And this is basically how we add a user to the Google Search Console. Once you're logged in, you want to come down here to Settings, and then you want to go to Users and Permissions. I'm a verified owner, but I want to go to Users and Permissions. And here I can literally enter the email address, so user@gmail.com. Permission, there are a few different types of permissions when it comes to your Google Search Console. So the owner is going to have the same level of access as you. So they're going to be able to add and remove other users, other verified users. They're going to be able to do all of the things like submitting sitemaps, submitting URLs. They're going to be able to change settings, things like that. But what's key is they're going to be able to have that privilege to remove other users, which you don't want to do. So typically, you don't want to give full access or owner access to really anyone unless it's a partner or something like that, or someone that you fully trust. Typically, you want to give your full access, which is almost as powerful as the owner. So you can still sort of do things like submitting sitemaps, submitting URLs, things like that, things with your sitemap. But you are not able to add and remove other users. You can't. You also are not able to verify other web properties either. So you can't add other websites to this account. So your full access will typically go to your SEO agency or an SEO freelancer or someone that you've employed to work with you on your website. And a restricted access is typically less than that. So you can literally, that's a read-only view. So you can't submit URLs, you can't submit sitemaps, you can't really take any actions on the website itself or on the search console part of the website itself. What you can do is literally have a look around, have a look at the stats, have a look at the search performance, have a look at the queries pages, things like that, and get a gauge of what's going on. So typically, if an SEO agency or an SEO freelancer was to approach you to say, hey, I want to work for you. I can really give you a lot of benefits on your SEO. Give me access to your search console and let me see what I can do for you. You don't quite trust this person, you're not employed by them, you've got no contracts between you and them, that is the time to give them a restricted access and say, okay, here's a restricted access, or here's access to my website. What can you do for me? If they start asking for more out and access, you really want to question why. Why do you need more access? You just want to have a look at how my site's performing and how you can help me. That's enough for you. You don't need more in essence. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you.